What better way to put Easter dinner leftovers to use than with a delicious spring brunch spread? Here with the recipes is food expert Julie Miguel. This looks amazing. Smells even better.
Thank you for having me, first off.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm so excited because usually leftover recipes aren't that yummy. So I wanted to bring some delicious brunch recipes.
And I love brunch because everybody can come.
And the greatest thing is these are big batch brunch recipes.
Yeah.
So if you have family that's kind of lingering around after the holidays, this is a great recipe for you.
Okay.
So these are called egg sliders. And super simple. You literally start off with eggs. So I'm gonna have you beat these eggs, please.
Okay, you got a lot in here.
Yeah, so that's, so these are gonna be actually baked inside the muffin tin.
Awesome.
So I use about 12 to 18 eggs, depending on how big your eggs are. And
Okay.
leftovers you can use, leftover vegetables, leftover cheese, like we have here.
Yeah.
And then I add milk inside of here.
Yeah.
And we have actually some sauteed onions because you want just some fresh flavors. So I've sauteed some fresh onions, and then also there's garlic in here.
Yep.
And we let these cool because you don't want it to start cooking the egg.
Oh, right, of course.
Yeah, so that's why I did these a little bit ahead of time.
Okay.
So that's good.
I'm gonna add this in here.
Yes. So we'll put these in here.
Great.
And then we'll put some milk. And the milk just gives it a little bit of...
How much?
Just kind of puffs it a little bit. A little drop there.
Is that good?
Yeah. And that kind of makes them like puff up a little bit.
Yep.
And we'll put some cheese.
Yum, always need cheese. Cheese and more cheese.
Yep. Salt, pepper.
Okay.
Seasoning, very important. And then I'll put some leftover veg inside.
It's good to have some good veggies, right?
Oh, totally. Yeah, yeah.
Amazing.
Yep.
So we combine all this.
Yes.
And then we flick egg around the kitchen. And then after we're done that...
So, good tip, keep it inside the measuring cup so that you can easily pour it in.
Smart.
So this is I sprayed it with just some nonstick spray.
Okay.
And you're just gonna...
Halfway? All the way?
Halfway. I
Halfway.
made these really big. So what happens is, if you do make them too big, just cut them in half.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can just
Great.
literally slice
Of
them in
course,
half.
like little patties.
Yeah, and then they look like that.
And what did you serve them on?
So those are little brioche buns, but you can serve
Yum.
them on little like dinner rolls, on little slider buns, whatever the store has, because at this time of year it's hard to find slider buns, so you can...
Oh, they're really good.
Yeah, you like them?
You know what's
That
great
one
is
actually
you
has
can-
goat cheese.
You can grab it as a snack. You can take it in the car.
Just
I
heat
love
it
that.
through, and then you're good to go.
I'm gonna take it with me to our next thing that we're gonna make.
Okay,
'cause
so
it's good.
these I call my coconut crumble French toast soufflés.
They sound like dessert.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
it could totally be a dessert. Again, these are made in the muffin tin. So right here I have some leftover brioche bread from my Easter brunch yesterday. And we've soaked it in egg, milk, cinnamon in this bowl here. So this one is already been soaked. You already did...
I'm just gonna feel the texture, because you don't want it soggy, you just want it...
Yeah, soak through, because you want it to go all the way through, but yeah, not too soggy. And I put some, these are parchments that I've cut out, and I've put some butter and some brown sugar on there.
And why the brown sugar on the bottom?
Well, I like the surprise of when you're done eating, that there's like a sticky, kind of buttery little surprise at the bottom.
Nice,
but
very good.
An unnecessary step, you can skip that.
No, never skip the brown sugar and the butter.
So then, I'm just putting this into our muffin tin.
And then you just grab a handful and shove it in.
Yes.
That's easy.
Yeah, and then fruit. I'm using kiwi today because I love kiwi. Not everyone's kiwi fan. You can literally use any fruit. So if you have a leftover fruit tray, cut it up to small pieces, and then you can put the fruit on top. And then I'm just gonna make the crumble as well to go on top.
I was gonna ask you, because the crumble is in the title.
Yes. So the crumble is literally just oats.
Quick oats, regular oats?
Yeah, quick oats. You want to use quick oats,
Okay.
yeah, because they won't be as harsh.
Okay.
And then I used coconut, of course.
Nice flavor.
A little bit of flour just for binding.
Okay.
And
lots
brown
of sugar.
Yeah.
And the cinnamon you already have in there, which is great.
Yes. You could add cinnamon to this.
Yeah. Mix it together just like that?
Yeah. So it's almost like a crumble.
Yeah.
Like when you make a crumble.
And you just dump it on top?
Yes. You do one of these.
A little handful on top. And how much? Do you want to coat it or just?
Just like a little bit on top. Like
Okay.
you can see here that it kind of spreads when it's baking.
Sure.
Yeah. And then you can actually top it with maple syrup. Just like a
when
regular
you
French
serve
toast.
it.
Yes.
Now, do you serve these warm out of the oven?
Yes, out of the oven is great. If you're gonna use it for your weekday breakfast, then you just want to heat them up and you're good to go as well.
Fabulous. Can you freeze these?
You definitely could.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely freeze them. I would freeze them in an airtight container, not for longer than a month to 2 months, like depending on your
They probably
freezer.
won't last that long.
Yeah,
'cause they smell
exactly.
so good.
Exactly. they
I'm
won't.
going to try one right now.
Go for
I
it.
always like to use, pardon my reach. Just a reminder to everybody, both of these recipes are up on our website. They're really good. I suggest you try them. That's at yourmorning.ca. We are going to be right back. I want to try this one for sure.